I'm David, and I'm going to talk about the climate change. Well, the climate change doesn't exist, myth or fact. Well, why? Climate change is not a myth because the effects of the anthropogenic human-caused climate change range from more frequent severe droughts to snowstorms and extreme winter. So the temperature of some regions as a result of the warming Arctic weather front. So this is not a myth, this is real. Climate change has been always exist because of the Earth's condition. Climate has always changed and it's nothing new, myth or fact. Well, so if you were to talk about like 11,000 years ago, which is when the most research tends to agree that human civilization began, the global temperature were actually really consistent. So, and that was great for human civilization. Most research thinks that because of the stability in our climate, it's allowed things like agriculture and thrive and our civilization thrive. So, in the fact, a study was done a couple of years ago that looked at temperatures over the past 11,000 years ago. So, and it shows that the temperature climbed for a few thousand years, and they kind of leveled off. So, this is a fact. This is not a myth. The climate change does not affect anyone seriously. Well, the climate change affects everybody. So, water scarcity, food insecurity, damage, and human losses due to extreme weather events such floods, storms, heat waves, and droughts are expected to increase. So, our health will be a risk, and the World Health Organization anticipates that the spread of various diseases such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, and cholera will be increased. The environmental pollution will be worsened, or that increase in the temperature like of the water will be increase the number of malnourished people. So the increase in deaths from heat waves is already happened. So this is real, man. Well, there is not much we can do to help the planet. Actually, yes. Well, the climate change is a reality and is caused by humans. Although some voices are still doubt, 97% of the scientific community agrees that human activity is the main cause of the phenomenon and that is the most accelerated that has ever been known. So in recent years, the need to increase efforts to fight against climate change has become even more evident, and more organizations and administrations around the world have adopted various commitments and measures both in terms of mitigation and adaptation to decrease the GHG emissions and reduce vulnerability to the impacts of the climate change. Yes. Well, for conclusion, the climate change has contributed to the changing extreme weather patterns around the world, from longer and warmer heat waves to stronger rains. The environment continues to play a key role in extreme weather. So the climate change has been the odds and changed boundaries, making certain types of extreme weather more frequent and intense. So